Hi everyone, my name is Arpit Gupta. I'm one of the co-founders of Cerebrokits. I've been involved with Cerebrokits right from the starting, and currently I am handling the portfolios of sales, marketing and programs. I have done my MBA from IIM Lucknow and I'm proud to be part of Cerebrokits. Now to tell you about what we do. Cerebrokits, the Financial Literacy Academy, is proud to be India's first institution focusing on enhancing financial literacy among students, whether school students or college students. And I can tell you, if I say that, have you ever learned about money management? Have you ever learned about investing your money? Have you ever learned about planning your retirement, buying your first house? Has anybody ever taught these things formally to you? No. We are never taught financial literacy in schools and colleges. Cerebrokits' vision is to make students financially literate. Students should be able to make wise decisions about their hard-earned money. What is happening in our society right now is we are teaching kids how to earn money, but nobody is teaching them how to manage that money. So that's a basic gap that Cerebrokits is targeting. That's a basic market problem that we are trying to solve. Now in this internship program, we are offering different profiles to students. We are offering profiles in marketing. In marketing, we are offering profiles in SEO, social media marketing, branding and marketing analytics. So there are 4 profiles that we are offering in marketing department. Then we are offering 2 profiles in business. One is business development and one is sales. In business development, you would be focusing on different new ideas, identifying what ways we can enhance revenues, what are new features, what are new functionalities, what are new programs that we can launch. So discussing all those ideas with the strategy team, with the programs team, with the product team. That is what business team does. Sales team is basically all about reaching out to different audience, different people, and trying to organize different workshops in colleges and schools. So that is what we are offering. We are also offering internships in graphics department, HR department. So basically in any stream that you want to learn, we welcome students in our team who have the passion and enthusiasm to learn things, who want to get their hands dirty and learn things by themselves. That is what this internship program is all about. Now, what will you gain when you join Cerebrokits as an intern? Now, there are 3 things that you will gain. One, in Cerebrokits, we help interns in becoming decision makers. We don't believe in the concept of somebody spoon feeding you that do this, do that. No. Be a decision maker yourself. Do research and do things. That is what we believe in. Second, once you become part of Cerebrokits family, you become part of it for lifetime. There are a lot of benefits that we offer to all our interns even after they leave. So not just about networking with people who are from IITs and IIMs and who are part of the core team. Our interns can always reach out to us to seek any guidance, any help about their higher education, about their careers, about their CVs, whatever. You guys can always reach out to us. The third and the most important one is you become financially literate yourself when you join Cerebrokits. So once you are in the team and once you leave the team, in these 3 months, you will be able to learn so many concepts about investments, about savings, about money management, that you yourself would be kind of a mini financial expert. Now, internships are paid and unpaid both, depending on the profile. In the job descriptions, you will find if the internship is paid or unpaid. Okay, so I would just like to wind up this video with a message that I'm looking forward to see you all in our interactive session, and I would surely want to see how many of you are excited about financial literacy as a concept. How many of you feel that financial literacy as a concept is a must thing for the next generation?